Welcome to Grahame Garden Limited. Today we are going to show you how to order from a MyShop. From the top left hand corner of our website, select from the business drop down MyShop login. If you are a new customer, select register and complete your details to create an account. If you are a returning customer, type in your email address and password at the bottom of this page. To access the private MyShop products, you will need to enter your access code. You do this by going to the Account Information tab and type in the case-sensitive access code into the green section. To see the products, use the link in the toolbar. Select your first item. Choose a colour. You have to select on the colour icon even if there is only one choice. Choose your size and fit, if applicable, from the drop-down list. Select the quantity. Add the item to your basket. You'll see a brief message letting you know that this has been successful. To select a different product, use the link in the toolbar to the MyShop. Repeat the process of selecting a product, colour, size, fit, and adding it to your basket. When you have completed your purchases, click on the checkout button or go to the basket icon and click View Cart. By viewing the cart, you are able to check sizes, update quantities, add promotional codes, and you can add more items by selecting Continue Shopping. If you are ready, click on the link to proceed to checkout. Billing address. Add your address or select a previously saved address. Delivery address. Add your address or select a previously saved address. Select the postage service and then continue. Payment section. Click the option and then continue. Order review. This is your last chance to check your order. Read our terms and conditions and when finished, tick the box. Click the link to complete your order. You will be taken from our site to a secure payment provider where you complete the details for your credit or debit card. Please note for security reasons we do not have access to this information. Click Complete your order. When authorised, you will receive an order confirmation via email. Thank you for watching.